Did you know the flush of an airplane toilet can reach a speed of up to 300 miles per hour? That's faster than the average sports car. This astounding velocity is one of the many features that sets airplane toilets apart from their land-based counterparts. So, next time you're on a flight, remember you're sitting on a super speedy system. Ever wondered how an airplane toilet stands out from your regular home toilet? Well, the key difference lies in the flush mechanism. While your home toilet uses water to whisk away waste, airplane toilets employ a vacuum system, a brilliant innovation for efficient water-saving disposal mid-flight. This vacuum technology not only saves water but also reduces weight, making air travel more eco-friendly. Airplane toilets, they're not just about the view from the window, they're a marvel of engineering too. Maintaining an airplane toilet is no easy task, and it comes with its own set of rules. It's cleaned and sanitized regularly. The waste system is checked thoroughly. Proper usage ensures everyone's comfort. Next you use an airplane toilet, you'll know all the hard work that goes into keeping it clean and functional. Fascinated by the world of airplane toilets, there's so much more to explore. We unpack the world's curiosities in bite-sized videos just for you. If you enjoyed this journey into the sky's unsung heroes, show us some love. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your curious friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. Until next time, safe travels.